Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. Today I gonna show you how to add GIFs to your TikTok videos, and it's a super simple process and a few new updates on TikTok. So first open TikTok apps. Then create any video. Then you will see filter, speed, flip, beautify, timer and flash option. But there have no option about to add GIFs, so press on right icon. Then you will see sticker option. Then we have to go sticker option, and you will see search GIFs option, like I searched cats. You will see lot of cats GIF and tap on any cat, and you can zoom in, zoom out, or anything what you want to. It's a super easy way to add GIFs, and it's a new update of TikTok apps. So I think you like the video, so don't forget to subscribe our channel and thumbs up our video and comment below down.